So first you find a tree that's dead or has been blown over, and you take a part out of it. So here's your part. You may have let it dry inside. And then you take your little chainsaw. I prefer electric because that's what I have. And also I don't support oil industry. Or I do, because it takes a little bit of oil in here. Maybe. Then you go about your business. And this little trick with the stump, and so you can use the chainsaw, and now maybe I can show you the finesse, because this will flip automatically. Yeah, whatever. And then you go on with this to smooth it over, and then you paint it black or white.